Hey folks, welcome back to Viral Mixer TV. Today I've got some spicy tea brewing from the 2024 Paris Olympics. And it's all about, drumroll please, women's sportswear. Yep, you heard that right. It's not just about medals and records, but also about what athletes are wearing on that grand stage. So what's the fuss? Well, Nike's Olympic kits for female US athletes have come under fire. Critics are saying these outfits are more about showing skin than showing skill. Imagine trying to sprint for gold while worrying if your leotard is riding up. It's like a bad episode of What Not to Wear. And if that wasn't enough, let's talk hijabs. France, the host country, has slammed the gavel down hard, banning hijabs for their athletes despite the International Olympic Committee giving the thumbs up to religious headwear. Talk about a plot twist. This has sparked a massive debate on social media, with many accusing France of discrimination. I mean, come on, it's 2024, shouldn't we be past this already? But wait, there's more. This controversy isn't new. Historically, female athletes have battled restrictive and often skimpy outfits. From tennis skirts to beach volleyball bikinis, it's been a long, uncomfortable road. Research even suggests these uniforms can hurt self-esteem and participation. So, what's the solution? Functional, comfortable, and inclusive sportswear. It's not rocket science, people. All right, quick break. If you're enjoying this deep dive, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Viral Mixer TV for more juicy updates. Back to the drama. Nike is defending their designs, saying they've based them on athlete feedback and performance data. But critics are not buying it. They argue that these outfits are impractical and objectifying. It's like choosing between running fast and running comfortable. Why not both? On the flip side, France's hijab ban is a whole other can of worms. The French government sticks to its guns on secularism in sports. But this decision is being ripped apart online, with many saying it's a barrier for Muslim women athletes. Talk about being caught between a rock and a hard place. So, what's the takeaway here? The Paris Olympics controversy shines a spotlight on the need for inclusive, functional sportswear that respects cultural and personal choices. Female athletes deserve to focus on their performance, not their appearance. Before I sign off, let me know in the comments. Do you think sportswear should be all about performance, comfort, or style? Or maybe all three? Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more hot takes and updates from Viral Mixer TV. Until next time, stay stylish and stay